This is a 5-minute guided meditation that's going to help you get into the ideal mindset before your trading session. Save and bookmark this particular video and complete it before every single trading session for the next month and see what happens to your results. If you find it useful, you may also want to share it with your trading friends and your trading community to hold them and yourself accountable to doing it before every single trading session. So what I want you to do is sit comfortably in a chair with both of your feet planted firmly on the ground and your back supported. And to start off, I want you to close your eyes and focus on the physical sensation of both your feet being firmly planted on the ground. Feel the physical sensation of you sitting in the chair, and feel the physical sensation of your back being supported by the chair. And get very present with your physical body. And I want you to turn your focus now to your breath. And keep your mind's focus on your breath. Focus on breathing in through your nose and out through your nose. And focus on your breath coming in through your nose, through your nostrils. Feel that physical sensation. And follow the breath into your lungs and into your diaphragm. And then back out again. And I want you to put your focus on your breath. And each time your mind drifts away from your breath, just note that, don't judge it, but note it and say thinking. Note that your mind has drifted and you're thinking about something. And without judgment, bring your focus back to your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. And with your eyes remaining closed, I want to remind you of the focus for today's trading session. Don't put any unnecessary pressure on yourself that you have to win, or you have to make profit, or you have to take something from the market, because you don't. The sole focus of today's trading session is to be present with and listen to the market. And whenever your mind drifts to thinking about what you can take from the market or what you can make from the market, just note it as thinking and bring your focus back to the market. And all I want you to focus on today in this trading session with this trade is, has the market aligned with my trading plan? And if it has, I just want you to be present with that and take the trade with controlled risk. And anytime you find your mind drifting to what you think it could be or could happen, just bring your mind back to being present with the market. No pressure, no expectations. Just focusing on your process, on your trading plan, and being present with the market. And anytime you find your mind drifting, just note it, thinking without judgment, and bring yourself back to being present with the market. And now again, I want you to focus on the sensation of your physical body, your feet, you sitting in the chair, your lower back. Get present with your physical body again. And when you're ready in your own time, open your eyes. And now it's time to focus on a process-based trading session.